So, hi friends, welcome to TP Chennai. In this video, we are going to see 10 questions from simplification and 5 quadratic equation. So, first one, 1.06 plus 0.04 whole square minus question mark is equal to 4 into 1.06 into 0.04. 1.06 plus 0.04 is nothing but how much? 1.1, and 1.1 whole square is 1.21. Minus question mark is equal to, so first 4 into 4 16, forget about decimal and all. First 4 into 4 is 16 and this is 106, so this is how much? 1696. And from the right hand side, after 2 digit decimal is there and after 2 digit decimal is there, that means after 4 digit from the right hand side decimal will be there, right? So question mark is equal to 1.21 minus 0.1696. Add 40 here, 20. So what is the answer? This is 4, this is 0, this is 4, this is again 0, this is 1. 1.0404 is the answer, which is nothing but first option. Second one, 5568 whole divided by 87 whole power 1 by 3 plus 72 divided by 2 whole power 1 by 2 is equal to question mark whole power 1 by 2, right? So here cube root is there, that means if you divide this number 5568 divided by 87, 87 into 7 times is 8 7 is 56, but here 55 is there, that means it will start with 6, and again we have to divide, so cube root will be there, so of course this number will be 4, right? Because it will be exactly divisible, right? Whole power 1 by 3 plus this is 36 whole power half is equal to question mark whole power half. This is how much? 4. This is how much? 6. This is how much? Question mark whole power half. So question mark is equal to 10 square, which is nothing but 100, which is third option. Next one, third one, cube square root of 13 square plus 28 whole divided by 4 minus 3 cube plus 107 is equal to question mark whole square. So first we will consider this calculation, then we will take square root here. This is 169 and this is 7, this is 27, this is 107. This is minus 20, right? Minus 20, so 169 minus 20 is 149, 149 plus 107 is 256. So square root of 256 is equal to question mark whole power square. So what is the, so this will be how much? 16. 16 is equal to question mark square. So what is the value of question mark? Question mark is equal to square root of 16, which is 4. So my answer is third option. So I hope you clear with previous 3 questions. Now we'll see next 3 question. 0.49 whole power 4 into 0.343 whole power 4 divided by 0.2401 whole power 4 is equal to 70 divided by 100 whole power question mark plus 3. Right, 70 by 100, when you see RHS will be how much? 0.7. That means you need to convert LHS in terms of 0.7. 0.49 is nothing but 0.7 whole square. So x power m whole power n is x power mn. So 0.7, this will be 8. This is 0.7 whole cube, so 0.7. This will be 12 whole divided by 0.2401 is nothing but 0.49 whole square. That means 0.7 whole power 8 is equal to 0.7 whole power question mark plus 3. Now everything is in terms of 0.7, right? So this will be 8 plus 12 minus 8, right? So this is 0.7 whole square, 0.8 is 0.3, 3 power 4 12. So 0.4 and 0.7 whole square, right? So 0.7 whole square. So this will be how much? 16 will come, sorry, here 16 will come. Is equal to question mark plus 3. 20 minus 16 is 4, 4 minus 3 is 1. Question mark is equal to 1. My answer is third option. Right? Next one, 24 into 16 by 15 plus 32.4 whole divided by question mark is equal to 4. So whole divided by question mark will go there and 4 will come here. So 24 into 16 by 15 plus 32.4 divided by 4 is equal to question mark. Cancel everything with 4. 4 4s are and 4 8.1. 24 into 4 is 96, right? 96, or we can cancel this again. or 96 by 15 is how much? 15 6 are 90, 6.4. 6.4 plus 8.1, 14.5. My answer is first option. Next one, 2 1 by 5 into 1 2 by 5 divided by 4 2 by 5. So this is 2 1 by 5 is 11 by 5 into this is 7 by 5 into 22 by 5, but this is in division, so this will be 5 by 22. 5 cancel, 11 2s are 7 by 10 is my answer, which is first option. So I hope you are clear with previous question. Now we will see last 4 question of simplification. First one, 45% of square root of 2025 divided by 0.01 is equal to question mark square divided by 25. Now first of all, what is the meaning of this one? This is 1 by 100, but division symbol is there, so it will be into 100. Into 100 and percent will go out. Square root of 2025 is 45, so this will be 45 into 45 is equal to question mark square by 25, so it will come here. So what is the value of question mark? This is 5, this is 45, which is 225, because I need to take one value. 245 is there, I will take 145. Square root of 25 is nothing but 5, so answer is 225. Next one, 8000 whole divided by 16 minus 200 is equal to question mark into 6. Divide this number directly. 16 5s are 80. 500 minus 200 is equal to question mark into 6. 300 by 6, what is the answer? 50, which is third option. Next one, 2 3 by 4 divided by 3 3 by 4 into 125 by 16 into 256 is equal to question mark. 2 3 by 4 is 11 by 4, this will be into 3 3 by 4 is 15 by 4, but we need to write in a reverse order, right? Into 125 by 16 into 256, right? So 4 and 4 will go out, and this is 16 16s are, right? So this is how much? 3 by 4, so 15 by 4, 4 by 15. Okay, so this is 5 3s are, 5 25s are, right? So this is how much? What is 25 into 16? 16 5s are 80, 85s are 400, right? 400 into 11 by 3. 4400 by 3. 3 14s are 42. 3 6s are 3 6s are. My answer is 1466 2 by 3, which is nothing but first option. Next one, 9999 divided by 99 into 73 plus 251 is equal to question mark. This is there, here in this part many students will do mistakes, so no need to avoid, right? Avoid mistake here. Break this number. This is nothing but 9000 plus 99, right? Whole divided by 99 into 73 is equal plus 251 is equal to question mark. Now divide this number. So this is how much? This is 990. Okay, this is 9900. This is 9900 plus 99, right? So divide this number. This is 100 plus 1, 101 into 73 plus 251. 73 into 101 is 73. 73 plus 251 is equal to question mark. So what is my answer? 7625, right? This is 251. So this is 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 6, 7624, right? So change this option. This is 7624 will be there, right? My answer is first option. So I hope you are clear with simplification. Now we will see 5 quadratic equation. So first one, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, y square is equal to 4. So here roots are minus minus, sign is minus minus, roots will be plus plus. So this will be how much? 3 into 2 6, 3 plus 2 5. So my answer is 3 and 2, right, for x value. And for y, what is the answer? 2 1 minus 2. Now we have to compare. So when you compare this one, x greater equal x greater. So my answer is x greater than or equal to y. Next one, 2x square plus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0, y square plus 8y plus 16 is equal to 0. So signs are positive positive, next will be negative negative. Here also negative negative will be there. So this is 20 you should get, so 5 and 4. divide by 2, this is minus 2.5, this is minus 2. Here this is 16, so 4 and 4, so minus 4, comma, this is minus 4. Right, so again, compare. Minus 2.5 minus 4 is x greater, x greater, x greater, x greater. So x greater than y is my answer. Next one, 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, 2x plus 3y is equal to 22. This is a linear equation, so make it same. So 3x minus 2y is equal to 7, 2x plus 3y is equal to 22. Multiply this one by 2, this one by 3. Right, so this will be 6x minus 4y is equal to 14. This is 6x plus 9y is equal to 66. Right? Subtract this equation. So what you are going to get here? Second minus first. 13y is equal to 52. Y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. Substitute here. So 3x minus 8 is equal to 7. X is equal to 15. X is equal to 5. Sorry. 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 5. So what is my answer? X greater than y, which is nothing but x greater than y. So I hope you clear with the first three quadratic equation. Now we'll see last two quadratic equation. X square minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. Y square minus y minus 16 is equal to 0. So signs are negative, positive. This will be plus plus, and this will be minus minus. So this will be plus minus. This will be how much? 15. So this will be 5 3s are 8. 5 3s are 15. 5 plus 3 is 8. 5 3. And here 3 and 2. Right, so this is x greater equal x greater, so x greater than or equal to y. Next one, x square minus 14 is equal to 0, y cube minus 343 is equal to 0. So x square is equal to 49, x is equal to plus or minus 7. Y cube is equal to 343, y is equal to 7. Now we have to compare. Equal, y greater, so x less than or equal to y. So I hope you are clear with 10 simplification question and 5 quadratic equation. Do subscribe TP Chennai YouTube channel for further updates and videos, and share this video among your friends in Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp, and do comment about this video in the comment section. So prepare well, all the best. So in my next videos also we will see some of the important questions of arithmetic as well as DI. So prepare well. Thanks a lot.